Hello, hi viewers. Now we are going to next step. In this step we are going to create working more on the website designing. These we are plugin install in our website, in our Avada theme website. Going to appearance, going to pages, click on pages. Let's see who to website our website look like at this time. Click here and copy this link in a new tab. Let's see who website our look like this. Our website look like this at this time. Last time our website not look like this. Going to close the more tab I am. This is at this time our website look like this. Now we are going to working on the Avada theme. Let's see who to create and who to manage. First of all, we are going to add new page, and which type of we are using function building. We are use function builder to create pages. I am click here, but I don't know why system take much time to respond. Wait please. Okay, let's see. Here I am going to add home. I am going to add home page. Where is home? Home page. Here different styles, different designs are available here. Like you can do different type of work in this theme. There are many default theme available. Full width theme, we are use full width, and this is no parents of this page. Done. Going to add pre-built page. Click on pre-built page because there is many pre-built page available, and you will be see amazing different type of pages. Custom template name, containers, elements. Where is templates? Home page. Different type of available, different type of predefined available. Going to see hosting company, hosting company, load, check what is the system will be show. That's great. System will be work on automatically on this, and we are going to click on publish. After a few seconds system will be publish this. After the publishing, system will be publish this. We can see the page. We are right click here and open this page in a new page, but at this time we are going to wait and system will be save and click on. At this time we are home page look like this. This page we are can set. After the few work we can adjust different setting according to our company. Like we are going to edit this. You can change the title, change the title type, rotation, highlight, text. Avada hosting value. This is our company name is George Hosting Company Robin. Tiger Hosting Company. I am going to bold this. I'm different type of, you can set the different type of style here. You can increase the show the different type of values. I'm going to use the red color and center, and you can also here change the different company name. This is our company name. Copy this text. Okay, going to save done. This is show Tiger Hosting Company. Let's see who look like this setting will be effect on our website. Going to our website and press the refresh button. This will be show look like this. Tiger Hosting Company. That's we are going to set this. After a few seconds system will be reset. You can also set the lining style of this. Like this lining style we can change in our style room. Rotation, like which type of rotation. Fade, system will be show this in a fade color. Going to save and update. System will be save and update this about the thing. I am going to home and again press the refresh button. System will be rotate this. You can see on your screen system will be rotate this settings for us. Going to refresh the page. Going to setting, just general text. Now working the rotation at this time. Going to refresh button. Yes, this will be great. I am going to change this heading. Going to your click here. All settings are show here. You can just click the edit button, and in the content you can change the content that are already company. Simple content right here. In this content we are the change the content for this. System will be take few seconds. Why the system not, if we are able to add any content here? Just cancel this. Let's see what is the okay. Going to edit number of column. Yes, okay, one. Okay, okay, there is, oh sorry, because this is the in white color, our background is also white, therefore this system not show us. I am going to change the colors. First of all we are change the color in red. Now I am going to add the more description on this. Best hosting company in the world. Going to center alignment and little bit more highlight. Press the save button, and after the press the update button. We are update this. After a few seconds, after the updating, we can check the which settings are changed. Going to refresh button. This system will be show here, best hosting company in the world. At this time our features we are show here look like this. Let's see how to manage this. This options box this available, I think so. I'm going to client. No, this is not. Let's see how to manage this options. Click on this. System will be show us the add and items. You can add more items, delete items, or you can update any items in this period here. Let's see how to manage this. Number of column you are going to show look like this, 1 2 columns. You can increase or decrease the different column size from here, but at this time 2 is the best column for us. and classic icon on side, classic icon on top. You can set icon with title, icon with box, with many type of setting you can set, but at this time our classic icon on side, you can see on side. And after this we are going to add this changes. Click here. We love hosting, best hosting.